Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
From the case of a missing supermassive black hole to the discovery of a strange furry dinosaur, on this episode of Scientifics, we take you through some of the top science stories of the week from across the globe. The disappearance of a supermassive black hole estimated to weigh between 3 billion to 100 billion times the mass of the Sun has left scientists perplexed. Despite searching with NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have no evidence of a black hole, which should have been in the enormous galaxy located about 2.7 billion light years away from Earth. Nearly every large galaxy in the universe contains a supermassive black hole in their center with a mass that is millions or billions of times that of the Sun. Astronomers expect the galaxy in the center of a galaxy cluster known as Able 2261 should contain a supermassive black hole, but data obtained in 1999 and 2004 did not yield signs of a supermassive black hole. Fresh observations have now also failed to locate the black hole. Researchers are now considering alternative explanations in which the black hole was ejected from the host galaxy's center. The James Webb Space Telescope, scheduled to be launched next year, may be able to reveal the presence of the missing supermassive black hole. Now, it is well known that the moon's gravitational pull influences the tides that shape our coasts. Now, a new study suggests that these tides significantly affect the intensity of methane emissions from the Arctic Ocean seafloor. The Arctic Ocean leaks enormous amounts of methane, which is a potent greenhouse gas. These leaks have been ongoing for thousands of years, but in a warming world, these leaks may intensify. Once this trapped methane escapes the ocean and enters the atmosphere, it will further contribute to global warming. The total amount of methane in the atmosphere has increased immensely over the past decades. Some of the increase can be ascribed to human activity, but this study shows that even the moon has a role to play. Gases accumulated in the sediments within a meter from the seafloor are vulnerable to even slight pressure changes in the water column. The study may have serious implications for climate research. Meanwhile, for the first time, scientists from Cornell University report that they have detected radio bursts emanating from the constellation Boötes. This could be the first radio emission collected from a planet beyond our solar system. The Tau Boötes system contains a binary star and an exoplanet located 51 light years away. The researchers believe that the radio signals are the emissions by the planet itself. If confirmed through follow-up observations, this radio detection opens up a window on exoplanets, giving scientists a new way to examine distant planets. The team has already begun using multiple radio telescopes to follow up on the signal from Tau Boötes. Back on Earth, Russia is investigating the mysterious death of hundreds of endangered seals that had been discovered in the shores of the Caspian Sea. Since last Sunday, 272 dead Caspian seals had been found at a number of locations in Russia, and authorities are expecting to find even more. The Russian Fisheries Agency said that an infectious disease could be behind the deaths, but an animal abuse probe would also be launched. The Caspian Sea, the world's largest inland body of water, is bounded by 5 countries: Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Iran, and Turkmenistan. Seals are already endangered due to overhunting and industrial pollution in the Caspian Sea. There are now about 70,000 Caspian seals, down from more than 1 million in the early 20th century. Meanwhile, scientists have discovered a chicken-sized furry dinosaur that lived about 110 million years ago in what is now Brazil. The dinosaur made a living hunting insects and perhaps small vertebrates like frogs and lizards. The team describes the dinosaur as one of the strangest they have ever come across. It possessed a mane of hair-like structures along with 2 stiff ribbon-like features protruding from its shoulders. These ribbons were possibly made of keratin, the same substance that makes up our nails and hair. The scientists said that they have never encountered such ribbon-like structures before. They may have been used for display, possibly to attract mates or intimidate enemies. This is Mohana Basu for The Print. For more, visit theprint.in and follow us on social media.